How to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows. For that, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar here type in code.visualstudio.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Visual Studio. In the space here, you'll be able to locate Download for Windows button in this row. You will need to simply click on this option in order to download it on your Windows. Also, you may also click on this download option at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once after clicking on one of these options, it will start downloading. You will be able to see the download icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on it, and once it is downloaded, you will need to set it off. Wait until it gets downloaded, and once it is complete, double click on it, and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Simply scroll down and read all of them. After that, click on this I accept the agreement circle at the bottom and then click on the next button. Here, choose your download location, click on browse and choose the download location. After that, click on this OK button right here. Now, click on this next button in this pop-up in order to proceed further. Here, you may need to click on this next button once again and then finally click on this install button. Now wait until it gets installed on your device. Once the installation is complete, click on this finish button right here in this pop-up and then close the window. You will be able to see you have successfully downloaded and installed Visual Studio application on your Windows. So this is how you can download and install Visual Studio Code for Windows. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.